Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, everyone. It's a pleasure for us to present our slide which we have discussed. Let me introduce ourselves. We are from Twilight. My name is Vila Salsabila and my friends Ivana Salsaya, Putri Lestari, and Surya Hadi Pramono. Our talk will be in 4 parts. The first part will be explained by myself. The second part will be explained by Ivana. The third part will be explained by Putri. And the last part will be explained by Surya. Our topic is about focus and scope of agribusiness versus agrotechnology. So here's the first part. Is talk about farm definition. Farm is a piece of land with house, barns, etc., on which crops or animals are raised. The statement was explained by Webster. And the second definition, farm is any parcel or parcels of land at least 1,000 square meters in area used for the raising of crops, fruits, vegetables, trees, or other agricultural products, or of livestock, poultry, and other animals. This statement was explained by Census of Agricultural. Next, I will explain about the characteristics and differences of farm versus agro-industry. The first characteristic is labor. The labor of farm are human, livestock, and machine. Meanwhile, the labor of industry is machine. The second characteristic is production process. The production process of farm depends on nature, meanwhile the industry doesn't depend on nature. The next characteristic is supervision. The supervision of farm is simple, and meanwhile the supervision of industry is modern. The next characteristic is decision making. Decision making of farm is quickly, meanwhile the decision making of industry is long term. And the next characteristic is standardization. The standardization of farm is complicated, meanwhile the standardization of industry is convenient. And the last characteristic is capital turnover. The capital turnover of farm is slowly, meanwhile the capital turnover of industry is quickly. The next slide is discussed about farm management. Farm management is the science which considers the organization and operation of the farm from the point of view of efficiency and continuous profit. This definition has explained by Everson. And the second definition, a science which deals with proper combination and operation of production factor, including land, labor, and capital, in the choice of crop and livestock enterprises to bring about maximum and continuous return to the most elementary operation units of farming. Farm management is both pure and applied science. This statement was said by W. Weyer. Let's move to the next part that will be explained by Ivana. For Ivana, it's your turn.
Thanks, moderator, for your time. I will explain about agribusiness versus agrotechnology. Agribusiness system is a series of activities based on agriculture from several subsystems that interrelate and influence each other. Subsystems consist of one, agricultural inputs is procurement of agricultural production facilities. Two, agricultural production is agricultural cultivation. Three, agricultural product processing is agroindustry. Four, marketing. And five, supporting institutions. The next slide, I will explain about on, on-farm versus off-farm. On-farm activities is agricultural cultivation, and off-farm activities is one, procurement of production facilities, two, agro-processing industry, three, marketing and service. The next slide discusses about technical benefits of agro-industry. Makes a real contribution for the economy of Indonesia in the form of one, production results is various forms of agro-industry products. Two, market is increased domestic market share. Three, production factors is profit labor, capital, and industrial raw materials. Four, job opportunities is increased availability jobs.
So now we come to the next point that will be explained by Putri. For Putri, it's your turn.
Thank you, moderator, for a time. Okay, here I will explain about agro-industry definition. What is agro-industry? Agro-industry is the process of converting agricultural products through chemical, physical, and biological processes become a product that has value add higher, involving effective technology and management and efficient. Next. The characteristic of agricultural commodities include: one is perishable, easily or damaged; another is voluminous, bulky or kamba; there is low price; and last is seasonal. The next part I will explain the rule of agro-industry as follows. 1. Securing the harvest as preservation, extend shelf life, easy distribution, and last commodity or product. 2. Diversification of processed products as industrial raw materials and consumable products. 3. Increasing the added value of agricultural products. 4. Increase in the country's foreign exchange. 5. Creating jobs. And last, improving public welfare.
So here's the next point will be explained by Surya. For Surya, it's your turn.
Okay, thank you. In agro-industry brings agriculture into perfection. There are 5 kinds of parameters of globalization and industry. One is the 5 farm to table steps. One step is farm, and the 2 step is processing, and 2 transformation, and 2 retail, and 2 table. And the commodities are agricultural products that have value commercial and is usually an industrial raw material. Product is the result of processed commodities through the process of chemical, physical, and biological conversion of the level stain quality. And there are 5 kinds of parameters of globalization industry. One is high quality product quality, or as expected global consumers. And another is product delivery or delivery on time, rack quality, and rack price. And the third is inventory is always deep enough, safe supply quantity. And the fourth is raw processing process, good professional and effective. And the last is machinery and equipment maintenance, always well awake.
Well, we have covered the points that we needed to present today. We would like to thank you for taking time to listen out to our presentation. We hope that you can find something useful from those points. Once again, thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.